it's time to go for our much awaited trip of this year, the trip for which we had been planning for at least 4 to 5 months. We're going for a 13 nice Europe trip and our first destination is Vienna. और इस वीडियो में मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी हमारा बैंगलोर टू वियना का सफ़र जो कि है एतिहाद एयरवेज में एंड विल गिव यू अ फुल रिव्यू ऑफ द एतिहाद एयरवेज एयरलाइंस एंड द फूड विच हैज़ बीन सर्व्ड. So let's go, we'll reach the airport and we'll show you the Bangalore का famous Terminal 2 airport. And as soon as you enter the Bangalore Terminal 2 airport, the first feeling which you get is, wow, it's just so beautiful. I have traveled to many countries, many airports, but Bangalore airport remains my favorite, of course after Singapore. The queue for boarding was quite small and I think in 5-10 minutes हमारा number आ गया. The check-in had been very smooth and the airline staff was very friendly. And after collecting our boarding passes, we straight away headed for the immigration. There had been absolutely no queue for immigration as well and they didn't ask really any question. Just ये पूछा कि कहाँ जा रहे हो, किस कंपनी में काम करते हो. And immigration के बाद it's time for the security check-in right now and as you can see यहाँ पे भी बिल्कुल भीड़ नहीं थी. बिल्कुल I think 5-10 मिनट में हमारा security check-in भी हो गया. And now since we had a lot of time to pass because immigration and security check-in बिल्कुल फटाफट हो गया, we thought let's go and explore the lounge of Terminal 2. That's the duty-free area of Terminal 2. We thought of checking it while returning back, but indeed it has a very good collection of both perfume, liquor and chocolates. We have a free entry to the lounge with our IDFC bank credit card. In fact, अभी काफ़ी सारे credit cards आ गए हैं, I think with ICICI and all as well. You can enter the lounge. The Terminal 2 lounge is very beautiful. In fact, जो food area है इस lounge का is common for both business class and economy. It's just that the bar area is different for economy and first class passengers, business class and first class passengers. And look at this, ये restroom है लॉन्च का. बिल्कुल वो टर्की वाली वाइब नहीं दे रहा है, इतना सुंदर. We decided to sit in the lounge area and went outside to get the food. We ordered pastas, both white pasta and red sauce pasta, and for every person you get 2 drinks. The lounge experience was very good. In fact, I would highly recommend that you get a card which gets you the access for Bangalore Airport Terminal 2 lounge. We spent around 1.5 hours in the lounge and now it's time to head back to our gate and get on the flight. And with that, it's time to board the flight. And every time I pass through a business class, I tell myself, one day I'm gonna be here. But तब तक, let's go and look at our economy class. And ठीक है यार, एक दिन आएगा दिन अपना भी. So हमारी जो first flight है वो है Bangalore to Abu Dhabi की, जिसका time है 3 hours and 45 minutes. We have got our seats upgraded and थोड़ी सी अच्छी leg space वाली seat ली है. And it was quite comfortable seats. We have got the blankets and the pillow. And look at the leg space. This was very comfortable. The in-flight entertainment section of the flight was also very good. काफ़ी सारे movies के भी options थे which will keep you entertained for 3-4 hours for sure.
Your seatbelt must be fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is illuminated. To fasten, insert the metal clip into the buckle. To adjust, pull on the strap. To unfasten, lift the metal flap and pull the belt apart. We recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened at all times in case we encounter any unexpected turbulence.
And we're all set to fly. The flight took off right on time. And we've got our headsets as well, which were of decent quality. Almost after 1 hour of the takeoff, the food was served. Let me show you what all we have got for dinner. I quite like the container in which the dinner was served. ये काफ़ी sturdy सा है, which is looking quite classy. So we've ordered for a non-veg meal and we have got quite a lot of things. पालक चिकन है, राइस है, बीटरूट पोरियल है, स्प्राउट सैलड है, and then there was some dessert option. खाना मेरे को काफ़ी एवरेज लगा. In fact, I think it was the only international flight where they didn't serve any alcoholic beverage, neither wine nor beer. And it's almost time to land to Abu Dhabi. And with that, the first leg of our flight journey is over. And while flight ka time 3 hour 45 minutes ka tha, we reached Abu Dhabi only in 3 hours. Around रात के 12:30 हो रहे हैं and सच बताऊँ तो नींद से हमारी हालत काफ़ी ख़राब है. सो तो हम पाए नहीं बट नेक्स्ट फ्लाइट का टाइम आ गया है. सो लेट्स सी हमारी नेक्स्ट फ्लाइट कैसी रहती है. वी हैव गॉट आवर सीट्स अपग्रेडेड इन दिस फ्लाइट एज वेल एंड यहाँ ये सबसे फ्रंट वाली सीट थी एंड द लेग स्पेस वाज जस्ट वाओ. नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट ऑल वी हैव गॉट. सो वी हैव गॉट द ब्लैंकेट और ये एक बैग है जिसमें हैंड क्रीम है, ईयर प्लग है, आई मास्क है. मेरे को ये बैग काफ़ी पसंद आया, थोड़ा डिफरेंट सा है देन द पाउच विच वी नॉर्मली गेट इन द एयरलाइंस. and the breakfast is served. Let me show you what all we have got. This is some yogurt, then we have jam, we have got a croissant and fruit salad, an omelette, sausage, and hash brown. I really enjoyed the breakfast. In fact, if I would be honest, this is probably one of the best in-flight breakfasts which has been served. The omelette was yum, too good. So finally, we are in Vienna. The journey was quite comfortable. I really like our upgraded seats. It was definitely worth the money, and I would highly recommend that you upgrade your seats. बट क्योंकि रात भर सो नहीं पाए तो टायरिंग तो हो ही गया है. Our journey is far from over now. Vienna is not our destination for today. We are actually going to a new country, a different country. So वो मैं आपको next video में बताऊंगी. Till then, keep guessing and thanks for watching. And if you like my content, please do like and subscribe. Bye bye.